My name's Timothy Kritz. I purchased a 2014 ML350. Yeah, I worked with Mark Lethard. Phenomenal. I was in for service and one of the advisors recommended him, and it was a very smooth transition. I actually worked for Dealer Tire, and they have me stationed here, and ever since I've been here since day one, everyone's treated me like family, and when they needed a new car, I knew where to go. What's great about Feldmann, it's a family-owned business, so that's why, like I said earlier, they treat you like family. Other dealerships, you're kind of like a number, and if I'm going to spend that much money, I want to make sure I'm taken care of after the purchase. Feldmann Imports, even if you're not buying a car service, everything is top-notch. You know, parts, everybody from top to bottom was really helpful when doing this, because I needed other stuff done to my vehicle, and I had to reach out to other people, and they took care of me. I love that Mark recommended this vehicle because I had a E350 and I needed more space. I have a family now, and when we do road trips and stuff like that, we want a nice, comfortable ride. My name is Tim Kritz, and I purchased a 2014 ML350.